Our product portfolio includes diesel generator sets and dynamic UPS technology for mission-critical backup applications, as well as gas systems for continuous power, CHP, and grid stability services. As a technology company, we continuously innovate to meet the needs of the energy transition. We do so by increasing efficiencies, by reducing emissions through use of sustainable fuels, as well as after-treatment systems. Our units are ready for use with sustainable fuels, such as HVO, with biogas, and we are continuing the development of our hydrogen solutions with the first 100% hydrogen engine planned to be installed in 2025 in the Enerport project, Lighthouse project in the port of Duisburg. Our customers value us as a reliable partner, not only for our products, but because of our history as a solution provider, delivering quality, reliability, and on-time delivery. We have a fleet of more than 85,000 units installed globally, with more than 10 gigawatts of backup power installed in data centers worldwide. Something we like to quote is that 1 every 3 clicks on the internet is secured by our generators, and this shows the impact that our products and solutions make on the entire industries. We are enabling the growth of artificial intelligence, semicon industry, pharma industry, as well as public infrastructures. And we do so while continuously innovate our product portfolio.